Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. A few subscribers have been asking me for the recipe of Avial. Avial is a vegetable dish which is made with a coconut based gravy along with some curd. So the ingredients we require are a wide variety of vegetables. This is drumstick, beans, this is white pumpkin or ash gourd, yam, potatoes, this is raw banana, yellow pumpkin and carrot. So these are basically the vegetables which go into an avial, and apart from this you will require coconut, green chillies and cumin seeds or jeera for grinding, and of course coconut oil to give it the typical flavor, and some salt, and finally we'll add curd to it. So the basic thing in an avial is the way we cut the vegetables. All the vegetables are cut into long finger-like pieces like this. Whether it's the potato or the carrot or the raw banana, beans, everything is cut into long pieces like this. It's actually a very simple dish to make, and of course tasty too. So first you just take some water in a pan and next let us start adding the vegetables one by one to this water. So that drumsticks, and then we have the beans, and this is the ash gourd or white pumpkin. This is the yam also, which we have peeled and cut into long finger like pieces. This is the yellow pumpkin. Here I have taken one potato, some carrots, and these are raw bananas which I have again peeled and cut into long finger like pieces. Add some salt. Now avial, there are two types. One is you can add, some people believe that no turmeric powder should be added and they have a pure white avial. Sometimes we just add a very little amount of turmeric just to give a hint of the yellow color. So I'm just adding a pinch. If you find avial which is pure white, that is also fine because you have not added turmeric in it. And then allow everything to boil together and cook. So I'll just leave it covered and allow it to boil. Meanwhile, I have 2 green chillies and some coconut, say half a cup of grated coconut. If you have more also, it is good. And then add some jeera or cumin seeds to it. Before you start grinding, you can just add a little bit of rice flour to it, which will really help to thicken it up. Now we are going to grind all these together, that is the coconut, green chillies, jeera and little bit of rice flour, into a fine paste in the blender. See, now let's check the vegetables if they have cooked well, which is done. And then the yam also is done. So most of the vegetables are done. Now this is the paste we have made with the coconut, green chillies and cumin seeds. Add this paste to the boiled vegetables. Now mix this thoroughly with the vegetables, let the coconut paste get blended well, and let it again come to a boil for just 1 or 2 minutes. See, now it is boiling well and it has all come together and thickened also. At this stage, you can just switch it off. I have removed it from the stove. Then curd, I have beaten it very well, and add the curd to this. And again give it a good mix. This is some raw coconut oil which I'm adding on top to give the original authentic flavor to the avial. Also, I am going to season a little bit of coconut oil with some mustard seeds. This again, it varies from each family. Some people like to season it with mustard seeds and curry leaves, which is a very essential ingredient here. But today I have to make do with only mustard seeds because I am now traveling. I'm just adding only mustard seeds, but please do add curry leaves to your avial to give it the authentic traditional taste. Mustard has splattered, just pour it over your avial. So your colorful, tasty avial is ready. You can have it as a side dish along with rice. Ade and avial is supposed to be a very good combination too. Some people like to have that combo. Avial goes with any rice dish. So do try it out and share your experience with me on Geeta's Kitchen. Share the recipe with your family and friends. And do come back to Geeta's Kitchen for more such easy, tasty recipes. Thank you.